Stop saying only I know English but I can't speak. In this video, you will speak English from the first second. We will practice very easy sentences at home. For example, I open the fridge, I make tea, I clean the table. So listen, repeat, and speak with me. By the end of this video, you will know many simple English sentences you can use every day. Let's start.
I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I stand in the room. I stand in the room. I stand in the room. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I take a cup. I take a cup. I take a cup. I put the cup on the table. I put the cup on the table. I take a plate. I take a plate. I put the plate in the sink. I put the plate in the sink. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I close the cupboard. I close the cupboard. I take a spoon. I take a spoon. I take a spoon. I take a fork. I take a fork. I take a fork. I use a knife. I use a knife. I use a knife. I pour water into a cup. I pour water into a cup. I drink juice. I drink juice. I have soup. I have soup. I have soup. I eat rice at home. I eat rice at home. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I clean the table. I clean the table. I move the chair. I move the chair. I watch TV. I watch TV. I watch TV. I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I turn off the TV. I turn off the TV. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I close the curtains. I close the curtains. I make my bed. I make my bed. I lie in bed. I lie in bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I fold my blanket. I fold my blanket. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I put my shoes away. 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 I hang up my jacket. I hang up my jacket. I find my keys. I find my keys. I lose my keys. I lose my keys. I look for my phone. I look for my phone. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I hear the doorbell. I hear the doorbell. I open the front door. I open the front door. I lock the front door. I lock the front door. I sweep the floor. The floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I water the plant. I water the plant. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I feed the dog. I feed the dog. I play with my child. I play with my child. I help my brother. I help my brother. I talk to my sister. I talk to my sister. I hug my mother. I hug my mother. I smile at my father. I smile at my father. I read on the sofa. I read on the sofa. I write at the desk. I write at the desk. I study in my room. I study. I study in my room. I rest at home. I rest at home. I go to bed. I go to bed.